お前はもう死んでいる。
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Trevor Plays here, back again with another Black Clover live reaction. We are here with chapter 299, almost close to that 300 mark. So let's see if we're on break or not at the end of this chapter, to see when we'll get our 300 milestone of Black Clover. We are here with The Sound of the End, chapter 299. So last time we left off with Noelle's spirit Valkyrie form thing disappearing and not and falling apart. So here we go. Now that your saint stage has come undone, you've lost your only means of defeating me. Even if you manage to unleash more saint stage attacks, they'd never reach me. This entire area is filled with my decaying world spell. No one can come save you. Even if they'd reach you, they would be helpless. That's reason enough to give up, don't you think? This was fun, human. And then an attack. Gotcha. This won't hurt. Forgive me, Queen Lolopeka. Lightning magic. Pulsaranta. That will keep her from moving for a few seconds. On that day, I decided I would destroy our enemies in your place, protect the kingdom. Even so, 6 months ago, I failed to stop Meg, God damn it, Mecula and Vanica's attack, and you were cursed. No apology could ever be enough. I'm no longer fit to be a spirit guardian. No. I'm still alive, Gotcha. If you hadn't been there, I would have died. The fact that no one in the kingdom is hurt makes me happier than anything. That's thanks to you, Gotcha. I tried to protect the citizens, the country, everything as a result. You have become this twisted shape and been forced to do what you would never wanted to do. Hurt others. I really am unfit to be a spirit guardian. More than the kingdom, it was you I wanted to protect. I won't let them kill you. I won't let you kill. I won't die from the wound you gave me. I'll convert my very life into magic, and I will destroy the devil who caused all this, here and now. This time, I will save you. Ultimate lightning magic. Apothecpar Astrosa? Astrosa? Okay. Decaying world. Can't erase it completely. Just one more attack. I don't care if it's weak. I just need enough Saint Stage power to pierce its exposed weak point. And then Noelle's like sweating a little bit. You see the faint image of the devil, and then Gaja is like burnt to crisps. And next chapter hits July 18th. So no no break. That's cool. All right. So one, I was not expecting that move. And yeah, I mean, is is pretty cool. It was a lot short. There was only 11 pages within this. I really don't like how Black Clover is very short. Um, like these chapters are very, very short. I really don't like that because that's one reason why these Black Clover reviews are very short in and of itself. Is because one, I'm flying through reading it, but two, there's a lot of action panels that don't have any words at all, and that's why there's less pages to read. Is because they're either double page spreads of an attack or some other things in here, and then like this one, this last page, there's only text at the bottom, and that's it. Like I'm not even joking. There's there was only one double page spread in this thing. But other than that, there was at least a little bit more words this time um, within this chapter. But again, like I said, there's I one is I think Black Clover is probably ending sometime soon. It's the only reason why these chapters are kind of getting pushed out and like very fast. There's only been like a couple breaks here and there. Um, and again, everybody has gotten a power up. Um, and all these other things. Like now we're fighting legit devils. So I'm trying to figure out how the story is going to end, what is going to happen, why is this moving so fast? Is my kind of thing. It's like we're kind of moving very very fast. Um, so I do think that Black Clover might be ending sometime soon, especially since we're just now reaching the 300 chapters mark. I don't see this going to 400. If we do, that might be the end of Black Clover. Um, but I don't see Black Clover going on for much, much longer after this. Again, because everyone in the Black Bulls have pretty much gotten a cool new power up and stuff over the small little time skip that happened. Um, which again is cool. Again, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying that this series is possibly going to end. If not, I don't know how this series is going to continue because of what is technically going on. Um, but I don't know. But if you guys are here and have seen this video all the way through, thank you guys so much. Leave some likes if you like the video. Leave some comments on what you guys think if you're fans of Black Clover. Please let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think of what I literally just rambled on for a good couple minutes there, so that way I could flesh this video out a little bit. But I don't know. I don't know. And I really do like Black Clover. It's just that it may not seem that I'm very too invested in these latest chapters and stuff like that, but that's just because the pacing is very fast. There are a lot of action panels that don't have that much text. Um, sure, there was a big like text info dump, like in a few like chapters before all this stuff, which was okay in and of itself. But then again, like big, heavy reveals and stuff like that are not always too great, but getting subtle ones here and there are what's really really good at storytelling. Sometimes big info dumps are the worst sometimes. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. If you guys enjoyed, please also if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you guys